This. Where's Mama? She's gonna come and pick you up.
Ready? Here goes Mummy. You gonna get in? Turn it a bit fast. Oh, sorry, Come on, Liz.
Here's come.
Quick.
Wait.
Run in, quick. Yay!
Hey! And they're off again.
And we're off. How's it going? It's a beautiful spring, end of February day here in southern Spain. And so today we're making a little video just to show you basically our back garden. Well, no, our river where we live, and more importantly, our blow-up kayak. We just want to show you how great it is and how easy they are to inflate and use and how good they are on the water. So, over to you.
The kayak is the Intex K2 Explorer. Let me explain what you get in the bag. You get your kayak, obviously. You get 2 inflatable chairs. You get 2 decent aluminium oars, which just slot together really easily. Come in 3 parts. Have these little hand grips here. And then you get a decent pump as well. The bag is not so good. The quality is not very good. It could easily rip. It hasn't ripped so far, but
probably take about 15 to 20 seconds.
If you want more room, you don't have to have them in there, but they do make it a bit more comfortable.
Can I just say as well, you could actually use an electric pump, plug it into the cigarette lighter in the car.
That's 2 chairs done. Okay, yeah, it's really easy to set up. Can't go wrong really. Basically there's 3 main sections here, one for the base, one for either side. And then a small inflatable area here, one at the front, one at the back. It's all numbered 1 to 5, and I don't think it matters too much if you do them in a different order. Real quick, and that just slots on like that. So pretty sturdy sections. You feel pretty safe in there. You don't think it's, you know, it's going to leak air. So this is number 1. As you can see, that connection just slots in. That's the base. Done, now the sides. Look how quickly that goes up.
And he's not unfit, it's just really hot.
Gives you a little workout. Job's done. These 2 end sections take about 3 pumps.
And that's it.
These slot in nicely there. Slot in, and these just clip in. So of course, the difference between a dinghy and a kayak is the fin, which is very important. Otherwise you just go around in circles, and that just slots in there. Really solid, secure fit. Now we've scraped the bottom of some rivers and shallow shore of a lake, and it hasn't come off. We've been a bit worried about that, but it's a decent connection. So, ready to go. You've got the 2 oars. So you've got these 2 neat heavy duty carrying handles. You've also got this rope if you go overboard. And right, let's just get this in the water, and we're ready to go.
You love it, don't you? You love it! As soon as he gets in the river, that's it, he goes bonkers. these. Look how cute that is. And they're great because they just fit the boys perfectly. Look, these cute little buckles on the side can be adjusted. There we go, and that's Dizzy all set up. If he does fall in, check these handles out to pull him back out of the water. Look at that. Brilliant. You're all set, Diz.
It's quite cool now. Hey, Dizzy?
Diz! He's more bothered in trying to find the little frogs and whatever else is in that little bit of water there. These life jackets are really good. Like, you can adjust it at the neck there with Velcro and the strap, and you can adjust it underneath, and again there's straps as well. So there's quite a lot of adjustment. Here we go, you're all set, Charlie. These life jackets, they're so good. Like, we've only just got them, but this is the medium size that we've ordered. And as you know, Dizzy and Charlie, they're only small dogs. So if you were going to get one of these for your dogs and you've got a larger dog, beware that the sizes are obviously a lot smaller than what you would think. So if you've got a medium dog, you might even need like an extra large. But they're great, and they've also got like a little, you know, clip there for their actual leads as well, because obviously they haven't got their harnesses on. So, and they just look awesome. They look so cute. Come on then, let's get you in the boat. Come on then. I don't know if they look so enthusiastic about going in. Dizzy's up for it. You up for it, and you Diz?
Yeah.
Get in.
Yay!
Good boy. Dizzy loves it.
Boys look quite comfortable now, don't they?
They don't mind at all. They like it.
Here they come. Here come the boys.
There's no trip. There you go.
Look, quite rigid, quite sturdy, good
Yeah.
vinyl, good quality kayak
the dogs have got their paws on this all the time, and they've been in the kayak, you can see Dizzy. They've been in the kayak several times. And obviously it's never popped, we've never had any issues with that. So, yeah, it's great. If you want to get an inflatable kayak, these ones are really good. Definitely recommend them.
Obviously in Decathlon, there's some nice kayaks with Teflon or different material, but taken out a number of times, sea, lakes, rivers, and hasn't let us down yet. How easy this is. These are quick deflate, so you just undo that and that'll be deflated within a couple of minutes. This one you have to push out, which is a bit annoying, like your old Lilos, but so easy. And
You
then
can just like literally leave it for a few minutes, 5 minutes, and then it's just flat enough to kind of roll up and put into the bag then, isn't it? Charlie's got a lovely little spot there on the beach towel, doing a bit of sunbaking after his little kayak trip. Oh, there we go. I think I'll just lay there. There we go. Doesn't get much more comfortable than that, does it, Charlie? And Dizzy is just focused the whole time on trying to catch anything that moves.